Hey guys, happy Sunday, and it's prize drawing day. I'm really sorry, I had to write these out this week. I ran out of ink, so I have to get my husband to go do an emergency run, but I didn't want to miss Sunday because then we're going to be, off schedule. So this is the end of last week's drawing. I ended it at midnight, like I put in the community tab. It ended at midnight, so anybody that's on makes a comment in this one gets entered into the drawing for next Sunday. And remember, we're giving away a box of pencils, we're giving away a color it book, and a wrapped surprise gift. I'm going to put on my setup mantra for like a minute. You guys know what I do. And just keeping it real. There were like 500 people this week. So I have everybody down here, and it's also on this side too. So everybody's in, and I will start. It's just going to make it easier for me. I'm going to start the numbers at the 2000 mark. But it'll equal up with this, so it doesn't matter. Everybody gets assigned a number. But since I have to write it out by hand, it's just easier for me to start at the 101 and just put some extras. I knew it felt a little heavier. Everything is out of order. Well, I'll put it into order. But that's why you see starting with 2000. It's not really 2000, but that's where I'm starting these numbers from today. Okay. Flip it around. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now we're gonna spin this, and the first one I grab will be for color it. Okay? $9.27, so we have color it. Now, which hand? This hand. Okay. This is for the surprise gift. We have $7.82. So we have $9.27 and $7.82. This leaves this little piece of paper for the pencils. And we have 2179. Okay, let's look it up. This is going to take me a minute. 217. Okay, it went like this. Okay, we've got Rain Robin. Rain Robin, come out and play. Oh, it seems that you have been here. This was last week. This is the week before. You've been here for a while. So, Rain. Okay, now we need 782. No. Oh, these are the numbers. Okay, now if you think I'm bad at pronouncing things, there's going to be zero chance of me pronouncing this. Well, I think it's supposed to say Twilight, TWYLYGHT 12. So it's Twilight, but not spelled Twilight. TWYLYGHT. And you're the surprise gift. I don't know who you are. I think I've seen Rain Robin around here for a while. So just contact me in my email. And now, the papers from today. We have 2179. Jenna McAllister. Jenna, you are the winner. Okay, my email address is howtoadultcolor@gmail.com. Contact me. I will get your prizes out to you. I will see you guys in my next video. Congratulations. Take care.